First, let's install TSLint and Prettier. These tools are essential to maintaining code quality. TSLint will help us catch common errors and enforce style rules, while Prettier will automatically format our code for consistency. After the installation, we'll initialize TSLint with a default configuration. We do this by running the TSLint init command, which creates a TSLint JSON file. This file will hold all of our linting rules. Now let's configure Prettier. We create a Prettier file in our project where we can specify our formatting preferences, such as preferring single quotes over double quotes and omitting semicolons at the end of statements. Let's update our package JSON to add custom scripts for linting and formatting. The lint script will use Angular CLI to run TSLint against our project, while the format script will apply Prettier formatting to all TypeScript files within the src folder. To avoid conflicts between TSLint and Prettier, we need to integrate them. By extending TSLint config Prettier in our TSLint JSON, TSLint will deactivate any rules that might conflict with Prettier's formatting. With everything set up, let's run the linting script. This checks our TypeScript code for potential errors and issues that don't adhere to our defined coding standards. It's a good practice to lint before pushing code to a repository. Finally, we run the formatting script. Prettier will automatically format our code based on the rules we've specified in the Prettier file. This ensures that our code has a consistent style throughout the codebase.